When we go to a steakhouse, I usually order the mushrooms and onions for on top of my steak. I'm Tess, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy side of steak, mushrooms, and onions, just like at the steakhouse. We were very fortunate to get a couple of these boxes of baby Bella or cremini mushrooms from our neighbor. They are so fresh and beautiful, and we just love shrooms. Stay tuned for a lot of good mushroom recipes coming your way. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. So let's get started. I sliced some of the larger mushrooms and halved some of the smaller ones. I have my heat on medium, added a little olive oil and the mushrooms, cooking and stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes. You will hear the mushrooms squeaking while you stir. They are just releasing their moisture while they cook, and as you will see in a little bit, they will produce a good bit of liquid. By the way, did you know that portobello mushrooms are just overgrown cremini mushrooms? The mushrooms are left to grow until they are large, open, and show their gills. Baby bellas are just another name for cremini mushrooms. Now I'm adding in some sliced onions, salt, black pepper, and a good amount of fresh minced garlic, cooking and stirring for another 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, the mushrooms are producing a nice flavorful juice. I'm going to let the liquid reduce to about half. Now I'm adding in some more flavor with a beef au jus that I had left over from making my French dip sandwiches. If you missed that video recipe, I'll leave a link here and in the Show More section below. You can also use beef, chicken, vegetable, or mushroom broth. If you wanted a more depth of flavor, you could also add in some red or white wine, giving that a stir and cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. We are almost done. I'm adding in some fresh chopped parsley and a couple tablespoons of cold butter. The butter is going to melt and tighten up the sauce, and of course add some more flavor and richness. Once the butter melts and the sauce forms, we are done. Serving tonight over steak, but you can also serve this with chicken or fish. The mushrooms have a good texture and a rich beef mushroom flavor. The onions, garlic, and parsley really add to the taste. I hope you give this steakhouse mushrooms and onion side dish a try and enjoy. If you like this steakhouse mushroom and onions recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!